Yeah, so I'm not keen on this
Like international could be a little world map.
table.
Could have,
Yeah.
they could have symbols for the things rather than just the words. An envelope for contact.
Well, it's like the structure is good, like it's quite simple, I
It's
imagine,
nice and clear,
to navigate around,
yeah.
but it could be maybe a little bit more eye-catching.
If you were a young worker or a young individual, would you be attracted to this website?
I mean, it would have had to be told. I would have had to have been told where it was first to find it.
Yeah.
I don't think it's immediate. When I first see, if I'm flicking through lots of websites, when I first see this, I'm not really sure instantly what it is. It's a set. And underneath, very small, it's Springfield Education and Training. I would have made the full name a bit, because I've got no, it's set,
Yeah.
it's just a standard word. It's not obvious what website's about. So if people are only giving each one a click on in a few seconds.
I mean, immediately it's not that eye-grabbing, but as you actually look into it, it has got quite a lot of information, and it would be quite useful, I should think. But that immediate eye-grabbing, I don't think it's got, personally.
Would you expect Springfield to expand their qualifications when if they merge with Paramount Park?
Yes. I mean, I don't know what they do already.
It's usually just event promotions and usually just teaching.
Oh, right,
So,
okay. Well, then
those
yes. I mean, I think they'd have to look at qualifications in management, finance, catering, all
Cleaning.
yeah, cleaning.
And they're all to repair of things as well. And there are a lot of specialist things only for theme parks.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, the numbers you're
mechanics,
talking about, what,
engineers.
27,000 jobs.
Yeah.
That's huge. I mean, so that's going to require expansion.
Yeah, definitely.
Would you take your children to Paramount Park once it's been built?
If I had them here, I'd probably go
Don't
myself.
have any, but
Have a nice local theme park.
Because, I mean, I've liked places like Universal Studios, so yeah, I think I'd like to go there myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
And do you think Paramount Park will be able to help Springfield expand as business?
Yeah, definitely.
This is in terms of, because there may be other recruitment agencies, other business agencies that may try and partner with Paramount Park. So
Right.
would you feel that Springfield, as they are now, as you look at their website, do you think that they will be able to beat the competition and like get the best percentage with Paramount Park and expand as a business?
I mean, I think what they'd need to do, I mean, they'd need to show they're reliable, show that they provide good employees.
Yeah, I mean, I guess the proof is in the employees that they can give, and if they're of a good sort of calibre and a good standard, and have been trained well and have got the qualifications and the attitude that Paramount Park would need, then there would be a good competition.
Could be a problem if it's more of the education sector. They may not be trusted to do a more wide general recruitment, whereas maybe there's other companies which already recruit for a range of different things. But so it would maybe be hard to get the only contract to supply them, but so they could start small, and if they prove themselves.
Yeah,
they
it's
can
more
grow.
about proving yourself, isn't it? Like if they did well and they could do it quickly as well, supply them quickly.
Yeah.
And the final question is: would you use Springfield recruitment to gain any more qualifications that you may need?
I'm not thinking about things like that at the moment, and I don't know enough about them to know that that'd be a good thing. So,
I mean, if I
From
was
my mind,
looking
probably
to get another qualification, I guess it would all depend on what would come up sort of in the Google search. I guess I've not heard of them before, but if they came up in the search and they were local, then then I would probably look into them. So,
I mean, first thing I'd think of would be a university or a college rather than
an
a private
agency.
company, an agency. That's not the first thing I think of when I think about education.
But if they're local and they did the actual course that you wanted to do, then I don't see why not.
Again, I mean, word of mouth is good. If people have had a good experience, then you're more likely to use it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.